Moving wood furniture. The wrong wrapping method can leave you with scratches, dents, damaged corners, or even problems with the finish. Here's how to protect it properly. Start by cleaning and completely drying the furniture. Dust, dirt, or grit trapped underneath padding can scratch the wood during the move. Next, remove detachable parts when practical, such as legs, shelves, knobs, handles, and removable glass. Keep screws and other hardware together in a labeled bag so nothing gets lost. Pay extra attention to vulnerable areas like corners, legs, edges, and carved details. Add extra padding or corner protectors where needed. Now comes the most important part. Cover the wooden surfaces with clean moving blankets or furniture pads. These should be the main protective layer between the wood and anything used to secure it. If you're using stretch wrap, place it around the outside of the moving blankets. Avoid putting plastic directly against finished wood for extended periods because it can trap moisture. And never apply packing tape directly to the wood. For tables, protect the entire tabletop and wrap removable legs separately. For dressers and cabinets, remove loose shelves and glass, empty heavy items, and make sure doors and drawers cannot open during handling. Antique or heirloom furniture needs extra care. Photograph its condition, protect delicate areas, and consider specialty packing or professional handling for particularly valuable pieces. Finally, protect the furniture after it's wrapped. Lift instead of dragging, use appropriate furniture dollies or sliders, and secure each piece inside the moving truck so it cannot shift. Remember this simple order: clean and dry the furniture, protect it with moving blankets, then secure the padding. Want more expert moving tips and free moving quotes? Visit MoversCom and contact us to plan a smarter, easier, and more affordable move. Like, share, and subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss our moving guides and relocation tips.